Judge strikes down parts of Patriot Act.
The FBI directed to stop sending letters asking for customer information. The federal judge has struck down portions of the USA Patriot Act as unconstitutional, ordering the FBI to stop issuing national security letters that secretly demand customer information from internet service providers and other businesses. A U.S. District Judge in New York ruled that the landmark anti-terrorism law violates the First Amendment and the Constitution's separation of powers provisions because it effectively prohibits recipients of FBI letters from revealing their existence and does not provide adequate judicial oversight of the whole process. The district judge wrote in his 106-page ruling that Patriot Act provisions related to the letters are the legislative equivalent of breaking and entering with an ominous free pass to the hijacking of constitutional values. The decision has the potential to eliminate one of the FBI's most widely used investigative tactics. It comes amid widespread concern on Capitol Hill over reported abuses in the way the FBI has used its NSL powers. NSLs allow agents in counterterrorism and counterintelligence investigations to secretly gather Americans' phone, bank, and internet records without a court order or a grand jury subpoena. Although the FBI has had such power for many years, the Patriot Act, enacted in 2001, significantly expanded its ability to issue letters. But the judge wrote that in light of the seriousness of the potential intrusion into the individual's personal affairs and the significant possibility of a very chilling effect on speech and association, particularly of expression that is critical of the government or its policies, a compelling need exists to ensure that the use of NSLs is subject to the safeguards of public accountability. There must be free speech, checks and balances, and separation of powers that our Constitution prescribes. He ruled that only some of the provisions were unconstitutional, but found that it was impossible to separate those provisions from other parts of the law. He therefore struck down the FBI's ability to issue NSLs altogether. Yes, there must be free speech. The Constitution must remain valid. We must not have a government that tramples and takes away all rights. People must have rights.